Hello, I'm in a very snowy Tallinn today, where I've been supporting UK-Estonian trade and investment and been having a very positive time talking to government and business about our current and potential trade and investment growth. We've seen 27% increase in UK-Estonian trade over the last year, now nearly £1 billion of trade between us, which is hugely welcome. And I've been looking at three areas in particular where there's great opportunity for further growth. One is in the infrastructure area, including talking to Rail Baltica, which is a rail project which is due to run through the whole of the Baltic countries, and there's already UK participation in that and potential for more. I've been looking at the tech sector and leading for some of today a tech delegation from the UK. There's a really thriving tech sector in Estonia, as there is in the UK. Already lots of companies operating in both directions for our mutual gain. It's been excellent to be able to support that today. And then thirdly, we've been looking at the offshore wind sector and renewables more generally as part of our Growing Green Together initiative, which we're running throughout Northern Europe, looking at ways in which we can work with governments and businesses in the region to support our transition for sustainability and strategic and commercial benefit.